Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are group 3 from S45 and today we're going to talk about ecosystem in Malaysia. We have decided to choose rainforest as our ecosystem. My name is Jenny.
My name is Avi. My name is Alisa.
I am Amir.
I am Nabil.
We
We are at Forest Eco Park Kuala Lumpur.
Malaysia is home to some of the oldest and most diverse rainforests in the world, divided between Peninsular Malaysia and East Malaysia. One notable location in Peninsular Malaysia is the Taman Negara, spanning across 3 states, which are Pahang, Terengganu and Kelantan. It is one of the oldest rainforests in the world, estimated to be over 130 million years old. Other than that, there is also Endangered National Park, located in Johor and Pahang. It is the second largest national park after Taman Negara, and it is famous for its stunning waterfalls, ancient forests, and diverse plant and animal life. Next, in East Malaysia, we have Malaysia's first UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Kinabalu Park. Located in the west coast of Sabah, the park surrounds the Mount Kinabalu, which is the highest mountain between Himalayas and the New Guinea. Another rainforest location in the East Malaysia is the Gunung Mulu National Park. Located in Sarawak, it is also one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its vast cave systems and limestone formations.
Now, we are diving into one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, the Malaysian rainforest. So let's explore 4 types of species you might find in here. First, let's talk about mammals. We've got the Malayan tiger, the majestic Asian elephant, and also the unique of Malayan tapir. Secondly, we have the birds. Malaysian rainforests are filled with colorful and unique birds. For example, we have the most famous is the rhinoceros hornbill and also the Malaysian peacock. As we know, Malaysian peacock is known for its vibrant feathers and also its incredible displays. Imagine seeing one of those up in the trees. Amazing, isn't it? Alright, let's get a little closer to the ground and also up in the trees. With the reptiles and also the amphibians. We have the crocodiles and also look up in the trees. We have flying lizards, or also known as the sugar gliders. Finally, let's talk about the amazing plants in the Malaysian rainforest. We have the Rainforest, known as the largest flowers in the world. But beware, it has a bit of funky smell.
Various importance of the rainforest. First, oxygen productions. The rainforest, known as the lungs of the earth, because they produce the significant amounts of oxygens through process called photosynthesis. The plants of rainforest and tree of rainforest, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, just like what they're doing right now surround me. Secondly, for medicines, rainforest consists of many medical plants and they can provide natural remedies for various medical conditions. For instance, wasai for kidney health, rosy periwinkle for leukemia, and many more. Thirdly, rainforest is crucial for provide habitats for endangered species. As we know that many endangered and threatened species live in the rainforest. Rainforests provide shelter, food, and habitats for wildlife. The examples of the endangered species is some bear, Malayan tapir, Malayan tiger, lions, and many more.
And now, I'm going to talk about the importance of conserving the rainforest. The biggest reason of conserving the rainforest is that rainforests contain rich resources such as timber, medicinal plant, and raw material, which is crucial not only for the environmental reason, but also for the long term. Rainforests are home to many of plant and animal species which are not found anywhere else. Protecting rainforests preserves the potential for future discoveries. Also, with the rainforest, we can attract tourists from around the world and generate income at local communities. The another importance of conserving the rainforest is that rainforests are home to about half of all plant and animal species. By maintaining them, we conserve the great biodiversity that is essential for ecological balance and genetic diversity. It is home to literally millions of different species. Did you know that 70% of earthland animals and plants live in the rainforest? If rainforests disappear, what would happen to them? Other than that, the rainforest helps to regulate the world's water cycle. Trees play an important part in the water cycle, make it a little harder and less than half of the water in their roots and releasing it into the atmosphere.
And to learn a little more on what Nabil said, our rainforest also houses a lot of indigenous groups in Malaysia. Groups like Orang Asli depends on rainforests for their own livelihoods. These places, their rainforests are like their home, their shelter, an area where they conserve their culture and traditions. Therefore, I think we need to protect our rainforests to protect groups like these from getting harmed. Other than that, rainforest also houses many plants that are crucial to modern drug productions. Drugs like caffeine, camphor, even menthol comes from plants. By conserving this rainforest, we could also find life-saving drugs that could benefit humans and animals, even plants themselves, from future and life-threatening diseases. Lastly, rainforests also help with climate control. Through processes like respiration, photosynthesis, and many more, these control the carbon cycle and oxygen cycle. These help regulate the atmosphere and helps maintain our health. That's why I think conserving our rainforests and wildlife is important for our daily lives and everyone around us.
So, that's all from us. Bye-bye!
Last but not least, please don't forget to respond to our Google form in the description of this video.